How to Speak English Confidently, an English podcast. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is very interesting and useful. Many people understand English, but they feel afraid to speak. So today I will talk about how to speak English confidently, even if your grammar is weak. I meet many students who say, I know English, but I can't speak. They feel shy and scared of making mistakes. So let me ask you a question. Why do you think people are afraid to speak English? I think the biggest reason is the fear of making mistakes. People think, what if I speak wrong English? They also worry that others will laugh at them. But the truth is, making mistakes is normal. Even people who speak English very well make mistakes sometimes. Another important point is that fluency is more important than perfect grammar. If you can express your ideas, that is already good communication. So friends, don't wait to become perfect. Start speaking from today, even if your English is not perfect. Now let me share some simple tips to improve your spoken English. Tip number 1, speak every day. Even if it is only for 5 minutes, speak something in English daily. Tip number 2, talk to yourself in English. For example, when you wake up, say, today, I will try to speak English confidently. Tip number 3, learn and use daily use sentences. For example, I am feeling tired today. I will call you later. This is a good idea. One more tip, don't think in your mother tongue first. Try to think directly in English. It will help you speak faster. Now let's talk about some common mistakes learners make. One common mistake is that people only read and write English, but they don't speak. But speaking is a skill, and you can improve it only by speaking. Another mistake is waiting for the right time. There is no perfect time. The best time to start speaking English is now. Start small. Even one sentence a day is enough in the beginning. So friends, remember this. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a step towards improvement. If you want to speak English confidently, you have to practice regularly and stay positive. That's all for today's podcast. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends who are learning spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.